What is going on, guys? Today I'm doing a review of the FH Group car seat covers. I'm going to show you the quick installation of when I got these, and then I talk about my experience with them. Here are the seat covers right now, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the review and installation.
This is what my seats look like before it. They're just, basic fabric. They don't look that nice. They got some kind of stains and wear and tear over them. This is a 2002, so I'm trying to spice these up a little bit with the leather. So this is what the seats came in, just some plastic. And immediately as I feel them, I haven't even put them on yet, they're incredibly plush, way more plush and way better quality than I was expecting them to be. Just when you look online, it doesn't look as nice, but these look really, really nice in person. All right, so the different pieces that come with it is these are the bottom seats, so they're actually different parts. You can see those go on the bottom seat where you sit. These are the headrest panels. This is the PH Group ones, and they seem to be the best quality for all of the research that I've done, which is pretty extensive. The other seat covers actually don't have this back panel, so when the people in the back seat look up, this will actually be full leather on the back too. Now also, it's incredibly soft touch. I mean, very high quality. You can see how far my finger is going in. It's not just, it's not just bad quality. This is very good quality. On the back too, it has little tiny rubber inlays, so these things will not slip. The next part is the back for the seat, and this is what goes on your back. This is where your back's. All right, guys, so the install is incredibly easy. All you have to do is these expand right here, as you can see. You're gonna take that, and you're going to just pull it over the seat. Incredibly easy, and just pull it back. Now the next thing we're gonna do is install the backs of them, and then these two pull together with little tabs. It's really easy. Next, all you have to do to put this on is we're gonna pull off the headrest. Once you have the headrest off, you can start to begin this part. Now again, it's really easy. All you're pretty much gonna do is just slip it over. It has these flexible parts on the back again. This part kind of in, we still have to pull it down though. This part, I just wanted to show you, see, it's just resting on it right now. What we're gonna do is pull this part down over it. And it slips in really nicely. All right, now the next part that we need to do is get these, and they have little straps behind there. So you're gonna pull these little straps out right from beneath the top one, then connect them onto this little black piece right in there. Should look just like this. It's really easy to do. You just slip them in through there. Now then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bottom piece right here, and those have another straps right behind in the same place. As you can see, they're really easy to find. Then you're gonna take this same black piece and you're going to connect that same elastic band to this same one right here. The same part that this one is, it's gonna overlap, and it should look something like this. Now you're gonna do on both sides, there's one on the other side of this, and then what we're gonna do is feed it through the back of this to the back side, which will pull all of this down and make it nice and flat. Now that is in place, what we did basically is fed it through the back into the back seat, and those tabs just go like that. You can cover them up so you can barely see them when you're sitting down. Basically what it does is pull that taut behind there. Now the next and last thing to do per seat is one of these things, really fast and easy to do.
Now it's really easy to do one of these. First you find the front of it, then you get the headrest pads, and the ones with the lines are the ones that go in front. All we're gonna do, basically put it on like that, flip upside down, and they have little elastic straps. Basically just pull them and you snap them in. Now all we have to do is put the headrest back in the seat. Now there is Velcro with cutouts back here, and there you go.
Over there, that's the before and that's the after. Let me just take this plastic off. That is the difference. And this actually fits really well. I have a 2002 Toyota Camry, and the colors go really well together. It all matches very nicely. And I think it does an excellent job of really taking this cabin to a whole nother level, making an old car look new. So now I'm gonna do the other seat, and then I'm gonna take a couple days and try these out, use them, and then give you guys an honest review of my real life experience with them. This is what it looks like after. Both seats are on. It looks really nice. I mean, you guys can see for yourself. It matches it really, really, really well.
This is incredibly comfortable, not only to mention, it looks extremely nice. I mean, look at that. I'm in a 2002 car, and these seats are, I mean, beautiful leather, and it looks incredibly different in this cabin just by putting seats. It really makes the cabin look a whole lot more luxurious. Hey guys, I am back, and I've had some time to actually spend in the car with the seats, and I have to say, every time I get in my car now, I am just filled with joy on how amazing my car looks. It really ties the whole car together, and it really looks amazing. I mean, it really does look incredible. I highly recommend these. I mean, look at the seats. It's so nice to touch, especially when you've had fabric and then now you have these leather seats. It's incredible. and they look much better, especially after having them in person and seeing all the other car cushions or car seat covers online. A lot of them didn't wrap around as far down as these go. The seams aren't as, like, it doesn't seem like you have car covers on. It just seems like your seats. Like, it just seems like these are your seats. And they do a really good job of making them for that purpose, to not look like it's on your seats. I've spilled water on these now. It's been raining. It's raining right now, and so, you know, rain gets in the car, and it's very easy to clean off. They still look brand new, and I have no doubt these are gonna last years and years and years. As you can see, they still look incredibly good. I am absolutely, like, I can't believe how nice they came out. The stitching is nice. The padding is incredibly nice. It's just such a nice place to be now. One of these is they come in a bunch of different colors. I think there's 10 different colors. There's red and black, there's solid black, burgundy, red, black with red stripes, brown, tan, you name it, and they have it. So it's very customizable to whatever your car is. But guys, again, if you do want to go check these out, there's an Amazon link in the description below for these specific seats, and you can choose your colors or whatever on the same link below. They also have back seats, as I said, and I've seen other people's and they come out great, and they're a little bit cheaper than the 2 front seats are. These are $125. I looked at all the other car cushions, and for ones in the similar price range, these are by far the best, just looking at the quality and the reviews. If you guys look at the reviews, people absolutely love these, and the biggest problem they have is the headrests, which for me, they fit really well. They fit my car really well. And they look really nice. It's a shame that they don't have the sides, but that's not really a deal breaker for me. I'm pretty much just gonna be in this position when I'm driving most of the time. I'll look over and I can see the beautiful seat. For $125, I would have bought it for $300 if I knew it was gonna be this quality. I mean, it's really incredible, and you guys will not be disappointed if you guys get these. I highly recommend them. Again, guys, Amazon link below. If I helped you in your purchase, then leave me a like below. But I'll see you guys later. Loss out.